At Centennial Job Corps in Idaho, students in the welding trade are learning by doing. Students like Chandler Walker.
Hands-on work, I could do it all day and I love it.
Chandler's interest in welding started in high school.
I did a little bit of it in high school and I loved it. And I kind of figured for a career for myself, I would like to try to pursue it, and it is working out well.
But before Job Corps, Chandler says he was struggling to find direction. What was he up to then?
Honestly, absolutely nothing. Yeah, I came here and this is where I've started my life and learning how to be an adult.
Now, Chandler is building skills, confidence, and a future through Job Corps.
Show up, be respectful, be willing to learn, pay attention. You ready for your cert on Monday?
No, I don't want to.
You'll be fine.
The skills Chandler is learning at Centennial Job Corps will serve him well far beyond the welding booth.
Pretty close.
You're very close, you're almost there.
Bro, I'm working my hardest.
Just put it 70-18.
He's earned welding certifications, gained real experience, and made good friends and great memories along the way.
Hey Tim, how's it going?
All right, what's going on?
Job Corps has certainly helped me get here. I'm happy. I'm working towards a career. It's a technique like you already know, but you're still trying to learn more of it. It's because like you're purposely burning through. Taking my first step into my career by doing an internship.
That internship is another step toward a future in welding, and Chandler knows the opportunities are wide open.
Welding shops, there's maintenance, there's farm work, there's underwater welding, oil rigs, it's all over. Go join Alan. I'm very excited for that.
He'll enjoy your company.
Yeah.
His goal is to graduate and work for the Pipe Fitters Union, earning a good living, doing work he loves.
Talk to Renee about that. She'll help you make a resume.